Marshmallow धर्ने लडेको है ल Marshmallow लड्ला है Marshmallow. And this is Sabu darling.
Yes, I did make this myself.
I made this.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is Sabu, my dear brother.
That's your brother. All
If
right.
you want to know how if you want to know how I made it, then I'll make a video about that. You will play cardboards. No, not cardboards.
Paper.
Papers. You need papers to and cut your scissors and you need this stapler and you will gonna stamp the marshmallow mask. Okay, you and the marshmallow mask.
Alrighty, cutie. Bye bye. That's it. That's it. Oh, bye bye.
Okay. You
बोला बोला बंद दा बाइला बंदे न बंदे साइड में होगी
Okay, this is the
Marshmallow in the house. Hi guys.
Take off my mask, please. Okay, how are you today,
Hey, take off his mask.
Thank you. Oh yeah, okay.
Let's see who this marshmallow fellow is.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, it's you, Sanskaroo.
And do you know how to make this marshmallow mask?
No, I don't. Okay, fine. I hope they don't. Laban.
Now, you need all you
Turn them
do is you want to wear this marshmallow mask. If you want to make it, if you don't be naughty, and be nice and share and subscribe to our channel.
Bye guys. See you.
I know.
It's too long. Please.
Bye guys.
Chalo.